by Bonifacio. Ang haba ng kamay ni Warren Bonifacio. Reverente inside, banging bodies with Casina, and he gets the first basket.
Good read.
Upon Bonifacio. Alday for three. He will get the bounce, Alwin Alday. Pasay, Tabi. Bonifacio will fire and hit.
Just in the nick of time para dito kay Bonifacio. Masok yung three-pointer.
Yeah, they're getting good shots,
yes,
actually. Bonifacio for three. Yes, sir.
5 straight points.
Rebound, Victoria, nagmamadali. Lawrence. Acrobatic shot, no good. And Bonifacio cleans it up. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Balagtas, free throw line jumper is good.
Finally for Rizal.
Viloria against Victoria. Craniel.
Sized up his...
4.5 minutes remaining. Tabi on the drive, the bump, and the bucket.
So, hindi maganda yung naging...
Posible. They go down low to Balagtas. He's able to recover. Balagtas fading away and scoring.
Very patient. Akala ko...
Sitwasyon na yun. Alday wants it and hits. Rebound goes to Jerry Pingoy. Ahead to Alday. Alday feeling it. Yes! 3 3-pointers para kay Alwin. It changes the dynamic here now that Alday has been hitting his 3-pointers. Here he is again. Alwin Alday. 11 puntos na. Alwin Alday. 2 seconds remaining. Victoria. Oh, tough shot in traffic.
Look at the balance, the composure.
Manila. Oh. Inigo from way out. Axel Inigo. Intercepted by Jasper Salenga. Salenga gets it back, fires a 3. Yes, sir.
He has the...
Pingoy. Gustong bumawi and Jerry Pingoy. Marvel Jimenez ang nakabantay. Brian Hilario guarded by Chad Alonso. Hilario. The fadeaway is good off the glass.
Using his size.
Nigo. Reverente on the attack. Reverente gets the bucket.
Look at...
Drives. Is looking for a path to the bucket. No. Agovida on the putback.
Very...
Lawrence Victoria is set to enter the game in the next dead ball. Marvel Jimenez. Libre sa 3.
Miscommunication that...
Mislead. Caught the defense napping there. Sible over Bonifacio. That won't work. Agovida recovers. And the finger roll is good. To the corner. To Caballero. Out to Reverente. He'll take the 3 and make the 3. Giano looking to work with Bonifacio. Warren fires and hits. 2 straight triples. Hesitate si Don. Caballero muna. Lawrence Victoria. Libre sa 3. Wala. Oh, tap. Ends up with Reverente.
Right place at the right time. Don.
10 seconds on the shot clock for Pasay. Caballero with a jelly. The second period. Agaw. Viloria. Takbo si Alday. And Alwin will lay it in for 2.
The system well as a Reverente.
And Victoria has time and he hits the 3.
The first 3-pointer para kay...
For the time na dapat maaga siyang nagsimula. Talaga nga namang minsan it's not about how long you've been doing it. Sometimes it's about the effort that you put in when doing it.
Pero takes the rebound. Sleet sees a free lane. Beautiful play. Sidestepping his... Reverente trying to add to it. Yes, sir.
Everything just going right for Pasay, right? Pasay to extend the lead.
Victoria leaves the defender at his wake and lays it in for 2.
Itong Pasay team, he's not scoring pero he's the one orchestrating everything. As at Alwin.
Coronel against Pingoy. Inigo for 3. Yes! Sleep. Bottled up. Nice pass inside. AJ Coronel scores.
Just when you think wala nang mangyayari doon.
Alday to Pingoy. 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Agovida with a rebound and he puts it in for 2.
Outside shooting.
4 of 7. Agovida nakalusot. Layup is good. Basket and 1. With Agovida. Pingoy. Agovida drives baseline. Layup is good.
12 points. Yeah.
Inigo. Labas kay Bonifacio. Inigo from long range. Yes, sir!
Wow. Kita mo yung the 3-point quarter scoring.
Inside, Vintis. Coronel, yes!
Second serving para kay Coronel, walang problem.
Inigo lost it. Recovers. Alday. Binigay kay Temajo ahead of the pack. And he scores. Deo Temajo. Natapik ni Alday. Turnover. And Alwin will lay it in for 2. Agovida picks up the loose ball. Takbo ang Rizal. Serrano scores off the glass and in. 19-16 for Rizal in the first. 20-13 in the second. 26-17 in the third. That's Victoria. Victoria grabs the rebound. He'll lead the break here for the Voyagers. Lawrence, yes!
He always likes that play, yung fast break.
Hands. Here's Victoria. Feeling it. Lawrence puts it in.
Control.
Oh, Sleet underneath. Patrick Sleet for 2.
Now this is a twin.
Central Mall Golden Coolers. Fast break. Verente will lay it in.
Good touch.
For Rizal, this is a crucial game if you're in the North Division kasi baka maging tiebreaker to eventually.
Oo, saka yung posisyonan eh.
Napikan ng bola, ends up with Sleet. Lawrence Victoria. Here he comes again, and Lawrence Victoria.
Ang layo ng pinagtalo na. Sinawsaw muna sa kaliwa, sa kanan.
Oo. Oh, blocked by Bonifacio. Apacible with a stick back. Double, 10 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists. Off the bench. And J.K. Casino nails the 3. Casino gives it up to Agovida for 2. Caballero to Reverente. Swings it over to Sleet. The extra pass to Victoria. Again, Lawrence Victoria. Quick birthday greetings kay Miguel Lopez and happy fiesta sa Masantol, Pampanga. Patrick Sleet.
Easy.
Caballero, inside they go. Bonifacio, and Caballero knew it as soon as he gave it up to Warren Bonifacio to come in. Casino for 3. That's good.
Second 3-pointer para dito kay Casino.
Nice pass to Sleet again. Keanu Caballero.
Oo, Caballero.
Sienes, off-balance shot is good. Under duress yun, ha? Yung tira na yun. De La Cruz, turnaround shot is good as well. Shot clock down to 5. De La Cruz, nakalusot. Bernardo plays it in.
Bernardo.
Maring Sienes. And Sienes! Oh!
Will go down. Well, ito namang Pasay will go up. But this is only the second loss of Rizal.